Hey guys, I wanted to do a quick little talk about wagler rods. I just did a TikTok on this, just something fun to do for 45 seconds. But anyways, I just wanted to talk about these wagler rods just quick. These are Street Fighter rods. I have done an unboxing video, but it was quite a while ago. So I thought I would just do a quick. These are actually from my buddy David's engine, which he's gonna be putting together here sooner than later. But these are the wagler forged rods for Cummins, so like a next step up from using a factory rod but not a billet rod. But they're supposed to be good for, they rate them for 1500 horsepower, so they're, you know, pretty good, pretty substantial. They come with ARP hardware already in them. You know, they're nice pieces for the price that they are. So but what I wanted to, what I was doing on the TikTok was, this is a rod, just to give you an idea of, you know, how tough they are or whatever. This was in my first gen and I lost the oil pump in it. The oil pump gear spun. We won't get into that because that hurt my brain. The bearing didn't spin in the bore, which is actually phenomenal that it didn't spin for how bad the bearing was, and it just annihilated the crankshaft. But you can see the bluing in that, which is pretty crazy. It got hot. So, you know, to show you from that to this, you know, a little bit of a testament, and that bore is still perfectly round. So I don't know what I'm going to do with this rod. I've been kind of looking at it. It's been, I don't know, actually close to, I guess, a couple years since it happened now. I was thinking about maybe making a lamp with it or something. I don't know. I'm going to make something with it one of these days. It's just, it's an expensive lamp, but it'll be kind of cool. So maybe I'll make a video making a lamp or something with it. I don't know. Like I said, if you guys have any ideas what I should do with that rod, let me know what I should do with that rod to make like a, you know, paperweight or something, because that's basically all it is. I guess you could use the bolts if you really wanted to, but you probably could use it. It's just that by the time you buy 5 individual ones, you can buy it almost the same price as buying 6 brand new ones, so it doesn't make sense. So anyways, that was just a quick little video, nothing really special about it. For you guys that do, if you are buying a set of these, it comes with your bob weight setup, which doesn't really make sense because that's not how you balance them, but it gives you your weights, I guess your weight card. They call it bob weight, but it should actually be weight card. And then it also gives you, they give you the instructions for torquing and your rod bolt stretch and all that stuff. And then, you know, just an advertisement or whatever, but they do package them really nice, all that stuff. But I do recommend these rods if you're looking to upgrade a rod but you don't want to go to a billet. This is the next best thing. This is what I would recommend. So you can check them right out on their website, and if you're looking. So anyways, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, share, and remember, it's not rocket science.